All right, so Johnny decided to wake up this morning and just randomly leave. So lost my camera guy, and now I have to do everything myself. So I'm thinking of maybe firing him for that. Luckily, I got my cellular device so I can still make content. Now I gotta hold my phone sideways like a jerk off. The weather is getting a little bit nicer here in Jersey. We're loading up the bikes. We're gonna go do some riding in the trails. Yeah, we'll see how I feel. Leg is feeling a little bit better. No idea when I'll be back. Hopefully soon. We got the bikes loaded up. I'm gonna rip this one in the trails. Not sponsored by VoltCycle, but VoltCycle, if you want to send us a bike, please do. We got the pitter. My brother's gonna be ripping this thing in the woods. So we're gonna get some clips of him ripping it. There's a couple sand pits in there. As you can see, always, I mean just always, the best fucking pronouns in the game. If you don't have pronouns like me, you're not cool like me. And that's fine. There's a lot of people that try to be me, but they just can't simply do it. Oh, look who showed up. There he is. Going for your daily walk, pal? Let's see. Look at the process of getting this polar bear in there. Come on, pal. Push his ass. Give him a little. Oh. 255 pounds of pure fluff. We got the whole team in here. What up, J.R. Smith? Check out Junior. God, Junior's head is the size of a bowling ball. Yep, and that's what happens when you don't strap shit down. You just hope for the best. Look at this. All my shit brand new gets fucked, but whatever. It is what it is. It's TV parts made, so nothing breaks. That's why you guys should be getting all your shit from TV parts. God, this is how you know this dude goes balls to the wall. He busts out the riding leg with a nice little Fox shock in there. That's unbelievable. I'm not gonna lie, that leg has seen better days, dude. Might be time for a new one. You gonna be able to unload that thing yourself? You got it? Oh! God damn, dude. All right, let's see. Oh, not sponsored by VoltCycle.
Oh, they're Chinese.
Oh!
Fun now.
Video is sponsored by Burke Rehabilitation. Okay. We got the fuck off NASCAR hoodie right here. We ain't messing around. Junior's gonna take this thing right to the hills.
Oh, fuck! Woo!
The hell's this guy doing?
Yeah! Shit!
Yo, Duke, you good?
Yeah, bro, I'm just using the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra that Manscaped gave me. I'm trying to polish up my balls right now.
Why are you sitting down?
Buddy, how else do you want me to shave my fucking ass with this thing? So can you get out and give me some privacy, asshole?
My fault, bro.
My nutsack literally feels like The Rock's head right now. Should I probably not allowed to show them, right? Yeah, whatever. Guys, the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra by Manscaped. Use my code GOMEZ for 20% off plus free shipping at manscaped.com. If you want to polish up your beanbag, Manscaped is the way to go. And if you don't want to smell like shit, they also provide this fantastic body wash that makes you smell absolutely fantastic. So if you want to get laid, go to manscaped.com, use my code GOMEZ and get yourself 20% off plus free shipping. Love yous. Buddy is coming in hot through the fucking rollers. God damn. Oh, shit. He's coming. Watch out. Uh-oh. Oh. Dude, look at that. Look at that rut. That's dirt that you don't see too often. Nice black dirt. Almost looks like MLK. Fuck it. We're posting it. Woo! Buddy is coming in cooking. Almost nailed the dog. Feel out. That's just highly offensive. That's gonna get us in trouble. All right, we got a nice size double here. The lip is right there. Landing is way down at the bottom. Pretty big gap, not gonna lie. Oh! Buddy is gonna need a lawyer for that case there. Holy shit. All right, attempt number 2. It's coming in hot. Woo! Oh, you gotta do this again. I don't know, this seems a little sketchy. But he's gonna give it a go. Oh my God! Yeah. That is what I call a sand pit. What do you think, Junior?
From here.
I think there into there has got to be doable. You endo right there, you go over the bars, and you end up like me. Perfect. This is insane, dude. Nice little playpen over here. Gotta say, that shit looks like a fucking blast. Damn. I feel like an asshole sitting here recording. Bunch of bullshit. This looks fucking insane. Look at that dirt, dude. Oh my God! Look at that. NASCAR edition fuck off hoodie, only available at dukegomez.com. This guy right here looked like shit on the pit bike today. Once I'm all healed up, I'll be able to perform 80 times better on this thing, but right now we are still on the injury list. Doctor has not cleared us to ride just yet. So fun day out in the pit, and I hope you guys are enjoying the shitty content that I'm providing for you. Love yous. All right, buddy figured out how to take it out. Now we gotta have him put it back in. On that thing. Oh, I love watching a man struggle. Shout out TV parts, huh? Everything's hot. Watch out. Pipe steaming. Look at that. There it is. You know how you get those muscles? You go to Amp Fitness, New Jersey. This is just so insane. This is what the world has come to. You don't even have to go grocery shopping no more. Everything just shows up to your front doorstep. We are making America fat again, lazy as fuck. That's how it is. I mean, I remember back in the day, I used to have to go with my mother to Costco and pick up everything. And the best part about it at being at Costco was the free samples. The free samples were the best, and they always came on a toothpick. Fuck you, dude.